There's the warm colors, then the cool colors. Please don't use the black and brown. You'll need a messy mat, a paintbrush, and a small bowl of water. Make sure your name is on the back of your project, and you're going to probably sharing with the person next to you with the paints. The messy mats, please save those. You'll use them again for you. Get a piece of paper towel, fold it in half, get yourself all organized, and set up your paints. Now, artists, you're going to have to wake up these paints, and please leave them open at the end so they don't get gooky. And when you're painting, like I said, make sure you have your messy mat. When I do my painting, also push up your sleeves if you need to. I do one drop inside the paints, and then I stir it around. Sorry, trying to focus my camera here for you guys. So I stir around the paint to wake it up. There, now it's in focus. And you add water only a little bit at a time. And I just have the paint on the end. I put my finger on the grippy, and then I begin. Make sure that you push up your sleeves and that you don't put your hand or your arm in the wet paint. Remember, if you take and paint next to wet paint, it will bleed. You want to go on the outside of your hand, do not paint the inside, and it'll be darker because I've stirred the paint around and got it ready. If you want to make it lighter, then don't go back to the paint and just add water. You decide how you want your picture to look. I ended up doing all the red at once, and I did a warm side of colors and a cool side of colors. Like I said, it's totally up to you. See how it's darker? And then I'm spreading the paint. I just went back to the water to make it lighter. Clean your paintbrush in a number 8 very carefully. Make sure it's nice and clean before you change the colors that you clean your brush. Now you see that I turned my paper around, and I'm going to start doing the cool colors. Like I said, add water, stir it around. Don't add too much water. There's no reason to add too much water. So I finish up this area. Keep your mat. You can put your project on it, but then when it's done and you get your project back, keep it folded and put it in your tub. Clean your brush, reshape it, leave your trays open, and now it's done. And that's where they go, back in the tubs, and alternate them, please. Please make sure the sink is clean. At the bottom of the sink, dump out the water, rinse the tub if it needs it, and then stack it up at the end. Thank you.